Welcome back to the Mad Scientist Labs. Teams perform at their highest levels when they develop what Carnegie Mellon researcher Dr. Anita Woolley calls collective intelligence. These teams are made up of humans not with the highest IQ, but of people with a high EQ or emotional intelligence. Here are the key ingredients. Understand each other's natural strengths. Then organize your humans around the work that best utilizes those strengths for leverage. And finally, focus and align them as individuals and a team under inspiring purpose or why. One example from our team. My business partner, Fanny Gambaro, and I have very different profiles. As these graphs indicate, we are opposites in almost every category. This could be a source of paralyzing conflict and dysfunction, or, if we leverage our collective intelligence, an extremely powerful collaboration. My most vulnerable blind spots are covered by her most exceptional strengths. Our favorite tool for understanding and leveraging the uniqueness of the humans on our teams is called the DISC TTI Motivators Assessment. Instead of clumsily onboarding a new teammate over a period of time, we can use this tool to quickly understand their strengths, communication styles, and ideal environments. The science behind this tool is exceptional and has the potential to unleash the best work of our lives. Tune in next week and we'll show you how to use these same tools to build the collective intelligence in your broader teams. We look forward to seeing you on the extra mile.